Hi, I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to be talking about the installation of window control covers. It's important to note that in both the Model S and the Model X, Tesla has decided on a very minimalist interior design. One of the few accents in the interior is the use of brushed aluminum along the doors and along the dashboard in general. If you'd like to take that brushed aluminum look and bring it sideways to your doors, there's a very easy way to do it, and that's with our window control covers. Let's talk about how we install them. This morning we're going to be talking about the simple installation of window control covers. A little touch that gives your control panel on your doors a nice brushed aluminum feel. Installation is very simple, works on all 4 doors, and we're going to go through that process. We begin simply by opening up the packaging. The first control cover that I'd advise working with is the large one for the driver's side front door. Obviously, this is the one that as an owner you're probably going to be using the most. You'll note on the back there's some red tape. The red tape is essentially double-sided automotive adhesive. The first thing we need to do is to remove the red covering, and that makes the adhesive live. I would advise doing this using a simple X-Acto or other sharp little tool or sharp knife. That will allow us to open it easily. We've provided you with a little strip of adhesive here, which in fact we are going to apply, as I will show you, to be certain that we have enough adhesive and a thickness of adhesive that will allow the product to stay online. We simply take an adhesive strip off, we place it very carefully right here, being sure that the edge of the adhesive does not come over this edge. Let me point. Just like this. It doesn't matter if it isn't perfectly centered. The idea here is simply to be sure that we're in a good place. We then strip the top layer of the adhesive off, being sure not to take the entire adhesive. We simply flip up the adhesive like this, pull it back, and we're good to go. We now place the adhesive on the other end and again pry it up like that. Now note again, a nice clean edge here, adhesive down there, adhesive down here. The intent is to give us a little bit more thickness. Once this is ready, everything is in place. We simply take this, slide it in, press it back, and press it down nice and strong. Pressing the ends down strong, the sides down strong. You'll note these guys have to be able to work very nicely up and down. There we go. So nothing impinges. Our mirrors work fine, everything works fine, and we're in a good place. We now install the covers on each of the rear doors and the passenger side front door. We simply remove the red covering on the adhesive and then stick the adhesive cover over the existing equipment. So again, using an X-Acto or your fingernail, we remove each of the pieces of adhesive tape. Again, be very sure that you just remove the covering, not the tape itself. Once everything is removed, again, we take it and note the indent corresponds to the indent. A little bit of dirt in there. I'm just going to remove it. And we just pop this in, press down, and our cover is installed. We now go ahead and do that for the other side rear door, the passenger side rear door, and the passenger side front door, and our installation is complete. These control covers give your Model S a very nice custom look that matches the brushed aluminum trim that exists on all of those vehicles. We hope you'll find them a lot of fun to use.